Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Struggling with heavy groceries and mobility? Best folding shopping carts for seniors make shopping effortless, offering lightweight, durable, and easy-to-maneuver solutions. Enjoy convenience, stability, and independence while running errands without strain or discomfort every time you step out. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Pipishell Shopping Cart with Swivel Wheels. The Pipishell Shopping Cart with Swivel Wheels is thoughtfully designed for seniors who need both convenience and durability in their shopping trips. With open dimensions of 20 inches long, 19 inches wide, and a height adjustable from 38.5 to 41.5 inches, this cart fits comfortably in most spaces and allows users to select the ideal handle height for their comfort. The strong iron tube frame can securely hold up to 66 pounds, making it ideal for groceries or other household items. Its 3-height adjustable handle is covered with a thick sponge grip, reducing strain on hands and wrists, which is especially helpful with seniors with limited mobility. Maneuverability is excellent thanks to two 360-degree swivel front wheels combined with 7-inch rear wheels, enabling smooth turns and easy navigation in tight spaces. When not in use, the cart folds down to a compact 37 by 18 by 3.5 inches for convenient storage in trunks or closets. Lightweight yet robust, this cart ensures a safer and more comfortable shopping experience, reducing back strain and effort. Seniors will appreciate how it makes everyday errands easier and less stressful while offering practical storage and functionality.
Number 2. Supenice Grocery Utility Shopping Cart. The Supenice Grocery Utility Shopping Cart is perfect for seniors who need a reliable and easy-to-use shopping solution. Its standout feature is the large wheel design, which provides smooth movement over sidewalks, roads, and even grassy areas, making it ideal for outdoor errands or park trips. Assembly is straightforward and requires no tools, as the wheels and axles simply snap into place, making setup hassle-free for users of all ages. This folding shopping cart is lightweight yet sturdy, with a foldable design that saves space in your home or vehicle. Its comfortable handle, covered with extended foam, offers a soft, non-slip grip, absorbing sweat and reducing hand fatigue during longer trips. The cart's storage capacity is generous, supporting up to 66 pounds, so seniors can carry multiple bags of groceries or household items at once. Its 4 large wheels ensure stability and safety, even when the cart is fully loaded, and prevent tipping while crossing uneven terrain. Overall, the Supenice Grocery Utility Shopping Cart combines thoughtful design, convenience, and durability, making a practical solution for seniors who want independence and ease while shopping.
Number 3. Goplus Folding Shopping Cart. The Goplus Folding Shopping Cart is a versatile and convenient choice for seniors who need an easy-to-handle solution for everyday errands. Designed with a foldable structure, it collapses quickly for compact storage, saving space in closets, car trunks, or pantries. Constructed from heavy-duty metal with a high-quality paint finish, this shopping cart resists rust and offers long-lasting durability, making it a reliable companion for years. The cart's 4 durable wheels, including universal front wheels and large rubber rear wheels, provide smooth maneuverability on streets, sidewalks, and even grassy areas, enabling seniors to transport groceries or other heavy items effortlessly. Its large cargo area accommodates a wide range of goods, while an additional back basket provides secure storage for personal items like purses, jackets, or umbrellas. Assembly is simple, requiring only the installation of wheels, which is ideal for seniors seeking minimal setup. Multifunctional in nature, this cart is suitable for grocery shopping, laundry, or hauling everyday items, offering energy-saving convenience and practical usability. Lightweight yet sturdy, the Goplus Folding Shopping Cart is an excellent choice for seniors looking for independence, efficiency, and comfort in their daily routines.
Number 4. Heavy-Duty Folding Shopping Cart with Waterproof Liner. The heavy-duty folding shopping cart with waterproof liner is designed to meet the needs of seniors seeking strength, durability, and versatility in a shopping cart. Weighing just 12.54 pounds, it is lightweight for easy maneuvering that can support a robust 132 pounds thanks to its ultra-durable stainless steel frame. Perfect for grocery shopping, laundry, or even transporting camping gear, this cart combines practicality and reliability. Seniors will appreciate how it reduces strain while offering a stable, spacious, and easy-to-maneuver solution. The heavy-duty folding shopping cart with waterproof liner delivers both convenience and performance, ensuring seniors can maintain independence while handling daily errands with ease.
Number 5. dbest Products Trolley Dolly. The dbest Products Trolley Dolly stands out as a multifunctional solution for seniors who value convenience, versatility, and durability. Designed as both a folding shopping cart and a dolly, it features oversized, heavy-duty wheels that handle various terrains with ease, from sidewalks to grass and gravel. With its thoughtful design, the dbest Trolley Dolly provides seniors independence, convenience, and stability, transforming everyday errands into easier, more manageable tasks.
Choosing the right folding shopping cart can make a huge difference in daily life for seniors. From maneuverability and lightweight design to durable construction and spacious storage, each of these carts provides comfort, safety, and convenience. Whether for groceries, errands, or everyday hauling, investing in a quality cart ensures independence, ease, and a more enjoyable shopping experience every time.